Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Audi Q8 Premium. This one is blue. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 turbo with 335 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has 22-inch wheels, red calipers, S-line badging, black leather interior, gloss black trim, panorama sunroof, rear climate controls, rear heated seats, trailer hitch, Q8 quattro badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, cargo cover, fold down rear seats, keyless entry, illuminated Audi logo which appears when you open the door, Bang & Olufsen sound sense system, a dark wood trim, ambient lighting, memory seats, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats. This Q8 has 20,565 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Audi Q8, visit us at feldmannimports.com.